this 10-minute tutorial, I will show you how you can earn passive income in the Metaverse. If you don't know what Metaverse is, that's fine. In this video, I will explain what Metaverse is, but more importantly, I will show you how you can get passive income. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial adapted for beginners, so if you're ready, like this video and let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect 4 weekly videos on passive income methods and making money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, CPA marketing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about a new passive income idea to make money by joining Metaverse. Given that we recently made several clips related to cryptocurrencies and NFTs, a lot of people have asked me how can I make passive income and earn money. Of course, you can follow the cryptocurrency market. Buy when the price of a particular coin is low and sell when it rises, and the same goes for the world of NFTs. You can mint a project early and choose the right time to sell later, but it can be inconvenient and difficult for beginners. So I decided to make this video in response to all your questions related to passive income using cryptocurrencies. Before we continue, let's first explain the concept of Metaverse, because most of people don't understand what Metaverse is and how it works, and that explanation will help us lay the groundwork for today's strategy. Metaverse is a digital online world in which you can make a lot of money, and the reason you can do it is because it's still the beginning, and many people see this project as a huge potential for investors and investment. One of the main platforms is called Decentraland, and this is one of the main metaverses that is currently active. Here you can even buy your own land and other types of property in the metaverse. Next to it, another platform that is active and popular is Sandbox. If you remember, we mentioned Sandbox when we bought cryptocurrencies, and that is one of the projects that I personally enter and believe in when it comes to the world of metaverse. Sandbox and Decentraland are currently the two main platforms. There are many others, but they are not nearly as developed and big as these two. When we look at the Sandbox, you can see a lot of famous brands like Ubisoft, Atari, we have Binance, CoinMarketCap and many others. We even have Snoop Dogg. When you take a look at the prices on the Metaverse map, it's very expensive to buy land currently in the Metaverse. As in the real world, if you own land, you can sell it, you can rent it, you can do whatever you want. If we look at this article, we will see that some people pay up to $450,000 just to be in the neighborhood with Snoop Dogg. I have shown you this only for the reason that you understand the potential of Metaverse and how much more it can be developed, as well as the fact that the real companies and investors invest money in this type of project. So once again, the two main platforms are Sandbox and Decentraland. Now that we have a brief look at what Metaverse look like, we move on to the question of the day, and that is how to make money in Metaverse, and more importantly, how to make passive income system in the Metaverse. Now I will briefly show you an example in Decentraland, but we will not rely on that example, but I will show you a new opportunity to earn money later. As you can see, every day on the website there are various live events in which you can participate. One of the most famous games in Metaverse at the moment is Casino. As you can see, everyone who bought a certain land in Metaverse and gave it to a casino for land now earns good money passively. However, in order to play a casino in Metaverse, you must own the part of the land that is in the casino. You can buy part of the land through OpenSea, which is currently down, we mentioned that earlier, but if we look at the prices for these parts of land, there are over millions of dollars. Don't worry, I won't tell you to buy a land in Metaverse, but I will show you a new earning opportunity that came up recently. As I said, I will show you a new opportunity in which you can participate and join early and which can grow into something much more. I'm not saying it will, but I'm presenting you with an opportunity. This is the second casino on the Sandbox platform called Sand Vegas. We see it sold out, but now I will explain how this works. It's about passive income by becoming a casino owner. 50% of the casino's profits will be shared among NFT holders. In other words, all NFT item owners associated with San Vegas Casino will receive their percentage of earnings in proportion to the value of the NFT item. How can you become the owner of an NFT item? So, on your OpenSea account, you can buy NFT related to San Vegas Casino and get passive income earnings from the casino every month. As you can see, given that the project is in earliest stages, we see that the floor price is many times lower than the previous casino. So you don't need to buy expensive land, but simply become a co-owner of the casino by buying an NFT item. Understand this as if you are the owner of the shares and NFT pays you passive income through dividends. The complete strategy depends on how successful the casino will be. So you do your own research and see how previous Metaverse casino clubs have evolved and what value they have achieved. You will see that most of them are very successful. The positive side of this project is their presence on social networks. They even have a YouTube channel where they do daily Q&A questions and answers, and as you can see, everything is still at an early stage. What I suggest is that you first go to their website, read all the information and check if this type of investment suits you the best. Then check out their collection on OpenSea and finally watch their videos on YouTube and more importantly check out their Discord server, because that's where all the information appears. You will be able to see that they have already bought 12 plots in the Centraland as well and that they have invested over $200,000. This is not a classic NFT item that you will just buy and it doesn't have any additional function. With this item you will get a certain asset, and that asset is the casino and the dividend that will be paid to you as their owner. In the end, when the casino develops even more, the floor price will increase significantly, which means that later, if you want to sell your share or sell your NFT item, you will sell it for much more money than you previously bought. Keep in mind that there aren't many ways to make passive income in the Metaverse right now. If you like casino games, poker and other things, you can go to the Central Games website and make money by playing poker in Metaverse. You have certain goals, tasks, after which you will earn a certain percentage of a certain cryptocurrency. If you want to learn about a business model that has brought me over $100,000 in 2 years of business, you can click on the first link in the description and see how the business model works. That would be all for this amazing video. I hope you have learned something new and useful and that you will at least consider this method. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, because I will be more active there soon. I will also leave you a playlist with other crypto and NFT tutorials so you can find some other strategies for you. Until the next video, new education and passive income online earnings, big greetings from my YouTube channel. Cheers!